Welcome students. Today we are going to study our new chapter, The Fun They Had. It is written by Isaac Asimov. It is the story of 17th May 2157 when there was a little girl called Margie and Tommy who found a real book in his attic. What is a real book? Actually, 137 years ahead, you'll be having only virtual classrooms and you will study on computers like you are doing in e-books these days during the lockdown. So, these e-books were not like the books, they cannot be like the books which you have, the real books which have very old, yellow, and crinkly pages. It was very, very old. So Margie remembered her granddad, who used to say that so many years back they used to have books in which they used to turn pages, read, and used to find the words. When Margie and Tommy were going through the book, they were really astonished to see that the books had words which were totally still. And Tommy was really exhausted. He said, I think it was quite boring because this kind of a book would be useless after it is read. It will be thrown away. And he thought that his computer, his TV screen is much better than this because he could read many, many books on it and he would never throw it away. It would never be a waste. So Margie agreed to it. She said, yes, this is quite true. And she asked whether, where, where did he find that? He said, I had found that book in his attic where his granddad might have put it. So she said, can we read it later on? So he said, you will be going to school in your classroom. So she said, what is the book about? He said, school. Now Margie did not like school at all because she used to study on the monitor from a virtual teacher. He used to give lots and lots of tests and homework, and these geography tests were really terrible and her grades were falling continuously. So her mother thought that something was going wrong. So she called up the county inspector to check on that computer. He came and he came with his toolbox to check on the virtual teacher. He came there, he tried to check on it, so he disassembled it. He removed things he was checking on and found what was wrong in it. While in the meantime, Margie was thinking that God, please help me. This county inspector won't find the fault and take away the virtual teacher for about a month. But he corrected it and he said it was not Margie's fault. He said it was because the geography section was a little too fast and it was upgraded for a higher student. So he had now slowed it down to a level of 11-year-old, and now Margie would be able to understand. It is because Margie's mother said that the teacher was to be adjusted according to the student, and every student had different level. But Margie was really sad. Now she would have to do homeworks and tests again and again, and this would really make her bored because she was not wanting to go to school anymore. So she decided she would talk to Tommy about it and she would ask whether they would be able to read it again, or she wanted to ask him what kind of schools they used to have. So he tried to tell Margie that old kind of schools were not like the schools they were having. It was a building in which a human teacher used to teach and all the students of the same age used to go there. They used to move together, learn the same lessons, and used to sit together to study. They used to discuss their problems with the teacher and amongst themselves. They did their homeworks together. But Margie said it was impossible because a teacher would not know so much and every teacher was to be adjusted according to the children. So she said this is impossible. So Tommy said just leave it. If you don't want to read it, leave it. But by the time Mrs. Jones called her because she believed that every child should go to their virtual classrooms at a fixed time and they should study there. So she said, after school, can we read the book? So Tommy was like, he said, I'll think when I can, maybe I will show it to you. So Margie was thinking he was having some attitude, and I don't want such kind of people, because she was thinking about the old kind of schools. They were really great fun to go together, to study together, and she believed those schools were really wonderful. She went to her classroom. There was another homework waiting for her. She had to make punch holes, insert in the slot. At the same time, she used to get the marks. So she was again thinking, this is really rotten. I want those old kind of schools where children could play, laugh, go together, ask their questions, enjoy time, and that was really fun time in those days. That is why she was thinking, yes, this was what, this is how they were enjoying. They really had fun. It was the fun they had.